Namaskar. Nowadays, many people are searching for immunity boosters. Every day there is news about increasing infections, allergies, weak digestion, stress, fatigue, and many people feel that their body's natural resistance has become weaker. But in India, for thousands of years, one small leaf has been used to protect body and mind. That leaf is Tulsi. So today, let me tell you what happens when you consume Tulsi leaves for 7 days. Just 1 week. Towards the end, I'll also share a special traditional tip that can make Tulsi more powerful for your body. Tulsi becomes very valuable because it contains vitamin A, C, and K, essential minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, it is also rich in fibers. By eating Tulsi leaves for 7 days, your body gets these nutrients and also many other benefits. Let me explain. First, Tulsi leaf supports your immunity. Tulsi leaf contains powerful antioxidant and natural antimicrobial compound. These help the body fight harmful bacteria, viruses, and free radicals. Within a few days, you will notice fewer throat irritation, less frequent cold, and a general feeling of improved resilience. Second, Tulsi leaf calms the nervous system. Tulsi helps regulate stress hormones in the body. When cortisol level reduce, the body naturally moves into a more balanced and relaxed state. So, if you have Tulsi leaves for 7 days, you will have better sleep, improved focus, and a calmer mind. Third, it improves digestion. Tulsi stimulates digestive enzymes, reduce excess gas and bloating. It also has a mild detoxifying property that helps the liver function more efficiently. Tulsi leaves juice is also a great detox agent, which strengthens the kidney and helps expel renal stones. It also helps reduce uric acid level, which is one of the biggest causes of kidney stone. The antioxidant and essential oil in Tulsi leaf also helps the pancreas function better and improve insulin sensitivity. This is very good for diabetes control. Next, Tulsi leaves improve respiratory health. Tulsi has traditionally been used to support the lungs and the respiratory system. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial property can help reduce mucus, ease breathing, and support overall lung health. This is one reason why Tulsi tea is often recommended during seasonal changes. Now the question is, how should you consume Tulsi leaves? The simplest way is to chew 4 to 5 fresh Tulsi leaves every morning on an empty stomach. Chew them slowly so that the beneficial oil is absorbed slowly and properly. If fresh leaves are not available, you can also prepare Tulsi tea by boiling a few dried leaves in water for 5 minutes. Now towards the end, let me share a traditional tip that can make Tulsi even more powerful. This is Tulsi Honey Morning Tonic. Take 5 fresh Tulsi leaves and crush them gently. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and few drops of fresh ginger juice. Consume this mixture in the morning. This combination works beautifully because Tulsi strengthens immunity, ginger improves digestion and circulation, and honey helps carrying this medicinal compound deeper into the body. This simple remedy supports immunity and improves respiratory health and overall vitality. Remember, sometimes most powerful medicines are grown quietly right outside our homes. Namaskar.